Hi, my name is Gab Sabat, and this is my final Spanish presentation about journalism in Spain. So, when studying journalism in Spain, the curriculum and school system can be a little different from the United States. In La Universidad Cardinal Herrera specifically, they not only offer a degree in journalism, but in more specific aspects as well. So, students of this university have the opportunity to focus on things such as politics, fashion, business, marketing, audiovisuals, media, and a lot more as their main major, where it's just very different from how it is with journalism schools in the United States, at least. Here at ASU and other schools here, most opportunities either include just a degree in journalism or sports journalism, but not as many as in Spain. There, at least, this definitely gives those students the chance to discover what type of journalism they want to pursue in the future. One student with an amazing success story is Miguel Weiss. He is an alumna of La Universidad Cardinal Herrera, and throughout his career, before and even after studying at this school, he basically explored various types of journalism. He's been a television host and radio host, focusing on the broadcast journalism side, also being a reporter and editor of multiple publications, focusing on the print journalism side as well. Then, just to add on to his extensive resume, he's also an author. He wrote 2 books, giving him the opportunity to explore more creative writing as well. He attended La Universidad Cardinal Herrera in 2003, studying journalism with a student scholarship. So while he was there, not only did he benefit from his professors and classes, but especially from their professional programs and extracurriculars. It's very similar to the classes here we take at ASU. Classes might include history of journalism, multimedia, video editing, and things like that. But like I said, the one thing he benefited from the most was the extracurriculars. So some of these include El Rotativo, which is a school's newspaper, basically reporting on multiple topics from faith and life to community or society or economy and even weather. He also enjoyed being a part of Radio CEU, which was the school's radio. So at the same time, the school also gave him the opportunity to work with TV3, an international television station. So what prepared him the most was the school's audiovisual and multimedia production center. This system basically included state-of-the-art equipment, such as television sets, recording studios, specialized computers, radios, green screens, a lot more as well. So after graduation, he chose to pursue almost all, or at least most, types of journalism. So he immediately got his foot through the door as he started reporting evening news for Canal Català only 4 months after graduating. He was a part of the team here for 4 years. This was his first opportunity professionally, working at a television station, basically putting his knowledge of audiovisual communications to the test. It was also an opportunity to pursue broadcast journalism, as he was constantly on screen for his viewers. This definitely gave him the opportunity to practice the voice control, his presence within his audience, and how to attract his audience through the visual aspect. In TVist of TV3, he continued his path in broadcast journalism. So for 2 years, he discussed more hard-hitting topics, basically centered around cultural topics, societal issues, and anything that basically affects the community and society. But at the same time, he was also able to practice writing articles, as he also worked with the company's online publication. In 2011, he published his first book, Liados, Contacts with Touch. So unlike reporting about facts and truth in previous journalism endeavors like on the news, this is definitely different, as writing a novel gave him the opportunity to write fiction. So this collection of love stories was actually one of the best-selling books in Catalonia. Learning how to captivate the audiences with eye-catching leads and descriptions that we learn in journalism school today actually helped him a lot to write such a successful book. So 2 years later, he joined Migdia de TV. This channel allowed him to discuss politics. So in school, journalists are often taught to remain unbiased and show basically no political party affiliation when reporting on such a controversial societal topic. This was also a unique opportunity for him, especially because he was able to report live. This definitely made the channel and him stand out as well. He was constantly outdoors, on the field, and basically investigating the most newsworthy topics. And especially with investigative journalism, journalists learn how to find stories, find sources, and how to report on it all when it's on the field. So throughout his career, he discovered both the on-screen and off-screen side of journalism, La Universidad Cardinal Herrera, taught him about camera work, sets, audiovisuals, and basically a lot of the behind-the-scenes work as well. And then additionally, he basically learned about how to attract an audience. So this sort of translates to like the amount of viewers, likes, shares, and the data analytics of it all regarding the media. In an interview, Mike Galvez talked about how La Universidad Herrera taught him how to be a professional in the field. Journalism was basically his opportunity to be a storyteller and shed light on those topics that other people might not notice, and he is very grateful for the education he received. Thank you.